Good morning, children. Today we are going to do Standard 4 General Science Lesson 2, The Teeth. First of all, in this lesson we are going to learn about types of teeth. Then how do they help us and how should we take care of them so that they remain like that. First of all, what do the teeth they do? Means what work the teeth they do. So teeth they help us to chew the food. Whatever food we are eating, that has to be chewed. Otherwise we will get stomach pain. So teeth they help us to chew food. Then second is they help us to speak correctly. Third, they give proper shape to the face. If you have seen the old people, they don't have proper shape of the face. Why? Because their teeth have fallen down. So, teeth they give proper shape to the face. Now children, look into the mirror and open your mouth. What are you able to see? Are you able to see two parts? The upper part and the lower part of your mouth. The upper part is called upper jaw and the lower part is called lower jaw. Now, there are two sets of teeth based on the life of teeth. Life of teeth means how many days the teeth they remain. Depending upon that, there are two sets of teeth. The first set of teeth is called the temporary or milk teeth and second set of teeth is called permanent teeth. So let's talk about first set of teeth, temporary or milk teeth. These teeth, they are 20 in number. They are 20 in number. And they start growing when the baby is of 6 months. When the newborn baby is of 6 months, the temporary or milk teeth, they start growing. And they start falling at the age of 6 years. When the baby becomes 6 years, the temporary or milk teeth, they start falling down. So, have you understood this much? That teeth, they help us to chew food, they help us to speak correctly, they give proper shape to the face. Then they are found in the upper jaw and lower jaw. Depending upon the life of teeth, they are of two sets. There are two sets. The first set is called temporary or milk teeth. They are 20 in number. They grow when the baby is 6 months old and they start falling at the age of 6 years. Now children, we are going to learn about the second set. Second set is called the permanent teeth. Why are they called permanent teeth? Because they remain till a person dies. So you have to take care of these teeth very much because once if they fall, then you are not going to get it back. So they are called as permanent teeth. They start growing when the milk teeth fall. When the milk teeth they start falling down, the permanent teeth they start coming out. They are 32 in number. They are 32 in number. 16 in the upper jaw, 16 in the lower jaw. 16 in the upper jaw, 16 in the lower jaw. Now we are going to learn about the teeth depending upon the structure and function. Structure. What do you mean by structure? Structure means the shape and function. Function means the work. What work they do? Depending upon that, the teeth are divided into 4 types: incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Now let's talk about each one. Incisors. Incisors, they are the front four teeth. If you see in the mirror, the broad front four teeth, they are called as incisors. They are four in each jaw. They are four in each jaw. And they are also called biting or cutting teeth. Why? Because they help us to bite or cut our food. If you are eating an apple, then how do you do it? You bite it with your front teeth, that is with the incisors. Then comes the canines. Next to incisors are canines. Canines are sharp and pointed. If you touch in your mouth, then you will be able to see two sharp and pointed teeth are there. They are called canines. They are two in each jaw. They are also called tearing teeth. Why? Because they help us to tear our food. They help us to tear our food. After canines, we have the premolars. Premolars, we are not able to see from the front, but they are helpful to us because they help us to chew and grind our food. They are four in each jaw, and they are also called as chewing and crushing teeth. Means they help us to chew and crush our food. After premolars, we have the molars, that is at the back of the mouth. They are six in each jaw. They are six in each jaw. They are also called grinding and chewing teeth because they grind the food. They make the food which we eat into very, very, very small particles. So they are called as grinding or chewing teeth. Now if you see the total, see 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. How much it comes? Does it come 16? Yes. So 16 are there in the upper jaw and 16 are there in the lower jaw. So if we do the total, then we have 8 incisors. 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Then 4 canines, 2 in the upper jaw, 2 in the lower jaw. 8 premolars, 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. And 12 molars, 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw. If you do this total, it comes to 32. 32 means 16 in the upper jaw, 16 in the lower jaw. Now I'll explain you regarding the shape. What shape they have and what work they are doing. Already I told you the work which they are doing, that they help us to bite, they help us to tear, they help us to chew, they help us to grind. Now when we will see the textbook and we will learn about their shape, what shape they have. If you see in your textbook, see the shape is clearly given. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. And you can see the arrangement also. The first front 4 teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are incisors. Then 1 this side. So they are canines. Then we have 2 premolars this side, 2 premolars this side. Then 3 molars this side, 3 molars this side. So if you see carefully, the teeth, they are of different shapes and they do the different work. So hope you have understood up to this much. Rest all we will do in the next part.